Welcome to another Moodle for Instructors video. In this video, we're going to look at how to edit the sections within your course. The default view in Moodle has 15 sections, and each section is titled with a date range for that week. If you'd like to change the title, click Turn Editing On in the top right corner of your screen. Then click the drop-down arrow beside Edit and select Edit Section. Before you type a new title for this section, you'll need to do two things. First, make sure to uncheck the box beside Use Default Section Name. And second, make sure to check the box beside Do Not Show the Date. Once you've completed these two steps, you can change the name of the section. I'll change this section to be titled Course Overview. I'll then scroll down and click Save Changes. Now we're back on the main course page and editing is still on. If you'd like to add or remove any sections within your course, scroll to the very bottom of your list of sections. This is where you'll find two very small buttons which will allow you to either add an additional section or remove the last section listed here. I'm going to add an additional section. You'll notice it gets placed at the bottom of the list. If I'd like, I can rename the section using the Edit Settings link as we did earlier in this video. And I can also move this section to a different position by placing my cursor to the left, holding down my mouse, and clicking and dragging the section either up or down the list. I'll place this section back at the bottom once again, and to remove it, I'll click the minus icon. Once the page has loaded, I can see the final section has been removed. Once you're done with your edits, remember to turn editing off in the top right corner. Well, that should give you some control over the appearance and organization of the sections in your courses. Feel free to check out our other Moodle for Instructors videos, which will look at some other features in more detail.